Hi, thanks for tuning into the Banking Trends discussion. I'm Puneet. I'm responsible for marketing and fintech engagements at Infosys Finacle. In our trends forecast over the years, we have tried to cover key trends that are shaping the banking industry. Over the last 2 years, we have focused on industry's transition from pipeline business to platform business model. In 2019, we see this trend accelerating. Before going into the forecast, let me take a minute to establish a common understanding of platform business model. For the sake of simplicity, let's break down the value chain of banking in 3 simple layers. The first being manufacturing financial products and services. The second, matchmaking, wherein a bank identifies the most suitable product or a service for a customer's unique requirements. And the third being distribution, delivering the selected product or service through a customer's chosen channel. Traditionally, banks have owned all the 3 spaces. However, there is a tremendous evolution happening across these 3 layers. The vertically integrated business model covering all the 3 layers is giving way to fragmented value design and platform business model. For instance, apart from selling self-created products and traditional partner products such as insurance, we believe banks are increasingly focusing on selling non-financial lifestyle products such as hotel bookings, flight bookings, cab bookings, event bookings, movie ticketing, among others. They're also focusing on creating joint products with non-banking partners as well as competing banks. We are also beginning to see banks selling third-party competing products such as higher interest paying deposits or a unique payment service from a competitor. In the second layer of matchmaking, the focus is moving from being a distributor of self-created products to be a marketplace of full range of products sourced from multiple partners and multiple providers. On the distribution side, banks will bring third-party channels on par with their own. So in addition to distributing via the network of their own branches, mobile, online banking, agents, kiosks, wearables, smart assistants, etc., they will use APIs to sell through third-party apps, fintech companies, other partners, or even other banks. In 2019, we expect progress at all 3 layers. However, each bank will progress differently based on its current strategy and execution readiness. So those without clarity will sharpen their vision, those with vision will begin implementation, and those who are already on execution path will mature their journey. We believe there will be 2-speed growth in the industry. Countries that have mandated open banking by law will progress faster, as the traditional pipeline model will lose competitiveness faster in those scenarios and will force banks to pursue alternate strategies with the platform business model. In other markets where there is less pressure, transition towards platform business model will be steady but relatively slow. Also, many banks will move towards adjacent businesses, just as adjacent businesses have moved into banking. For example, a large bank in Singapore plans to collaborate with a taxi service to popularize it within its client ecosystem. In a reverse scenario, another competing taxi operator is encroaching the bank's small business territory by offering loans and deposits to its drivers and customer ecosystem. Similarly, non-bank owned platforms such as Alibaba, WeChat, Google, Apple, Amazon, which have been enabling select financial services since last many years, will continue on that path and will expand their portfolio. Together, these crossovers will create great value for customers. In past, we have seen most successful platform stories coming from non-financial institutions. In 2019, we expect several good stories to emerge from incumbent institutions. Faced with the possibility of industry consolidation, we believe many banks will accelerate their transition towards a platform model. At Infosys Finacle, we'll continue to help our clients make this transition. Thank you for tuning in for this video. I wish you lots of success in your platform business journey.